What is a static IP, and how do I set it on Debian? Imagine trying to connect to a device on your network and finding that its address keeps changing. Frustrating, right? That's where a static IP address comes into play. It is a fixed and changing number assigned to your device, making it easy to find and connect to. Unlike dynamic IP addresses, which are handed out automatically and can change over time, static IPs stay the same. This consistency is especially useful for servers, printers, or any device that needs to be reliably accessible. In Debian, a popular Linux distribution used for servers and desktops, setting a static IP is straightforward once you know where to look. First, you need to identify which network interface you want to configure. You can do this by running the command IP or ifconfig. These commands list all network interfaces, like Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Once you know the interface name, such as ETH0 or NP03, you can edit the network configuration file. On recent Debian versions, the main file is located at etc. network interfaces. You will open this file with a text editor like sudo nano network interfaces. To assign a static IP, you add or modify lines for your interface. For example, you might write auto eth0 to activate the interface at startup, then specify ifase eth0 and at static to set it as a static IP. Below that, you include the IP address you want to assign, the subnet mask, the default gateway, and DNS servers. An example configuration looks like this. Address 190.168.1.100, netmask 255.255.255.0, gateway 190.168.1.1, and DNS name servers 0.8.8.8, 0.8.4.4. After saving your changes, you need to restart the networking service to apply the new settings. You can do this by running sudo systemctl restart networking. Alternatively, rebooting your system will also activate the new static IP. If your Debian system uses systemctl or NetworkManager, the process differs slightly. For systemctl, you create or edit a network file in the systemctl directory. For NetworkManager, you can use the graphical interface or nmcli commands to set a static IP. Using a static IP on Debian is especially helpful when setting up servers like web servers, file servers, or virtual private network endpoints. It ensures that other devices and users can always find your server at the same address, avoiding connection issues caused by changing IPs. To sum up, a static IP is a permanent network address assigned manually to a device. On Debian, it involves editing configuration files to specify the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers. Once configured and the network service is restarted, your device will keep that address, making network management much easier and more reliable.